In the great name of Allah, who is the Rahman and Rahim. Honorable respect teachers and my tuition fellows, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
From class 19. Today my topic is government job. Government job is a many opportunities from us to job man. Banks are respect government officers, but not private job men. And people trust government officers, not private officers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We start with the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful to each and every human being. My name is Sayyid Nazir Shah, the son of Sayyid Muqtasir from Blazeville, Bakoda. I studied in class 5. You say that government officers take more respect than private officers, but private officers have privacy, not than government officers.
Government job men have a suitable man, give a suitable salary and a retirement, many opportunities from one city to any country as training. Qualifies tests and interviews demo, but private school only, private jobs only, material category, intermediate jobs.
Private jobs have many categories. For example, there are many categories where you can study and learn from. There are many categories. For example, tech study and
What do you say? I'm not satisfied this point.
said in private jobs and in private schools, the private schools jobs are private also, but when someone ever comes
Your
to
topic is private job, private school.
private schools job is also involved in private job. So when a person come, we do not go to a government school because they know that government schools person did not take that well, and the private schools person teach well.
Government, but private schools given us permissions. They have many works. They have these precious works, but compared to government officers, they have limited works, fixed work.
Okay. You say that there are fixed works of
Government officers.
there are fixed works of also private officers. Private officers have privacy. Government officers don't have privacy.
Government officers connect government officers. They have respect banks trust government officers, not private officers.
Private officers also has trust on government. Government also trust on a private officer.
Government officer respect in our society and countries.
What say the
I am saying government officers respect in a society in our country, but private schools or private jobs have not respect in society.
they are respected?
Why?
Because in government job they gave people just more salary, so everyone is going to government job. But in private jobs, your first salary will be down. Then when you go upwards, and you know many companies are private. Google is a private company, not a government.
But a person who for you, they have a signature one papers you can signature it. A person who come and signature on my paper, you can signature on this paper.
He said that a government officer has the authority for signature. They have their own name signatures. Are you understanding?
Private job men have not authority in signature any other.
In one point that he has cleared that government officers they have only a little time. They have only less time to work. They are free. They don't have a more workload, more pressure. But the private officers have a more load, more pressure.
Because private companies are big. Private companies are bigger, so their pressure will be also bigger. You will see many companies are private, not government. Google is private company, ChatGPT is private company, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Everything is private. If they got controlled by government, they will doomed.
Answer my points. I am saying points. Give me answer.
Which one?
A person who comes authority or signature, you cannot have signature.
Okay. If we cannot signature, because why will someone come to us for a signature? Why will someone need our signature?
अर्चन पर
Why will someone need our signature?
government jobs give many opportunities like health issue, education of children. There are many opportunities government give us, but private jobs give us not any other opportunities.
So government jobs gives you opportunities, but they not give you equality. They don't give you equality.
Government is equality.
How?
Our salary is equal.
Our salary is equal. Just that.
Salary is equal. Give us many rights. Trainings skills, learn skills. There are many opportunities, but private school have not.
Private schools.
Private jobs.
Private jobs also has opportunities. If you go to another country, they will also give you money for. And private schools, so when you go on a private job, you have privacy. Private companies give you privacy, not like the government company. Tell me a company that is owned by the government. Tell me a company.
There are many companies have a government.
Give me a name. Tell me a name.
Textile industry is a government.
Company, bro.
Textile is a industry.
I'm talking about a company, not an industry. Company, you know? What is a company?
iPhone.
iPhone is owned by the government. It is a private company. It is not. It is private. Many companies are private because they have privacy. They are not controlled by the government.
But government officers have many opportunities. Give us trainings, skills, learn everything.
They have opportunities on their own, and private jobs also have opportunities.
ताड़ी हो जाए साइबर कंपनीज PSO पाकिस्तान स्टेट ऑल टॉप ते मना गवर्नमेंट जो है इन ते समझ ODGCL UEPL PPL क्या कंपनी मुझे छॾे बंद है